Start. Dive into. To start doing something with excitement and full attention. Let's dive into today's lesson. She dived into her new job with confidence. Solve. Sort out. To solve a problem or fix a difficult situation. Don't worry, we'll sort it out together. I need to sort out my internet problem. Refuse. Pass on. To politely refuse an offer or invitation. I decided to pass on the party invitation. She passed on the job offer because it was too far away. Accept. Go with. To accept or agree with an idea or suggestion. Let's go with your plan. Everyone went with her suggestion. Choose. Go with. To choose one option. I'm going to go with the black shoes. We went with the cheaper hotel. Match. Go with. To look good together. This tie goes with your shirt. These shoes go with my dress perfectly. Understand. Catch on. To begin understanding something. He caught on very quickly. It took me a few minutes to catch on. Reduce. Scale back. To reduce the amount or size. They scaled back their spending. The company scaled back production. Eliminate. Rule out. To decide that something is impossible. The doctor ruled out a serious disease. We ruled out that option. Complete. See through. To finish something successfully. I'll see this project through. She saw the course through to the end. Mention. Bring up. To introduce a topic. Don't bring up politics. She brought up an interesting idea. Discuss. Talk over. To discuss carefully. Let's talk over the plan. We talked over our future goals. Consider. Think over. To think carefully before deciding. I'll think it over tonight. She thought over the offer. Recover. Get over. To recover from illness or sadness. He got over the flu quickly. It took her months to get over the breakup. Avoid. Stay away from. Meaning, to avoid someone or something. Stay away from junk food. You should stay away from negative people. Return a call. Call back. Meaning, to phone someone again. Example 1. I'll call you back later. Please call me back after lunch. Contact. Mark get in touch with. Meaning, to contact or communicate with someone. Get in touch with me tomorrow. She got in touch with her teacher. Stop using basic English. Save this video, practice these phrasal verbs, and sound like a fluent English speaker. Follow at Only English Vocabulary for daily advanced English.